just ordered his new bed from us. They're getting it installed today, and I had some questions for him. First off, man, why did you choose Rugged Rigz in the first place? What made you come to us?
I've done a lot of research and read reviews and looked at pictures. I'm talking like nuts worth. And when it comes down to it, you guys are the best that I've seen, time frame wise, quality wise, service wise. That's my favorite.
Awesome. And are you happy with what you got?
I love it. Look at it. Wouldn't you be? It's slick.
So Ryan got a full onboard air system, Airlift 5000, on-demand controls in the cab. We installed all that. He got a custom ordered Rugged Rigz reel. He also got our first painted to match bed. So from now on, if y'all need paint, we got it in-house. One last question, man. Would you recommend us to anybody and all your friends?
Highly recommended. As a matter of fact, I've already recommended it. Before I even got the bed, I've recommended these guys. Just every time I've messaged or I had a question, I mean, it was within 30 minutes. I had something back, you know, an answer to my question. So yeah, I have and will continue.
Well, we really appreciate your business, and if you ever need anything in the future, please come back.
Absolutely.